Maximizing your money, the art of stretching every dollar. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrase that can help you understand conversations about budgeting and finance. Stretching every dollar. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to manage your finances better, this phrase and its concept can be extremely beneficial. Let's get started. Stretching every dollar is an idiomatic expression that means making the most of your money by spending it wisely and carefully. It's all about getting the maximum value out of your financial resources, ensuring that you can cover all your needs, and possibly some wants, without overspending. This phrase emphasizes the importance of budgeting, frugality, and smart financial planning. In today's economic climate, knowing how to stretch every dollar is more important than ever. It can help you survive tough times. When money is tight, being able to stretch your budget means you can still pay for your essentials. Save for goals. Whether it's for education, a vacation, or retirement, stretching your dollar can help you save more efficiently. Reduce financial stress. Knowing how to manage your money effectively can lead to less worry about finances. Here are some practical tips for making your money go further. 1. Create a budget. Know what you earn and spend. Track your expenses to identify where you can cut back. 2. Prioritize spending. Focus on essentials like rent, utilities, and food. Non-essential expenses can often be reduced or eliminated. 3. Look for deals. Use coupons, shop sales, and compare prices to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. 4. Avoid impulse buys. Think carefully before making purchases to ensure they're necessary and within your budget. 5. Save first. Allocate a portion of your income to savings before you start spending. This ensures you're always adding to your savings, no matter how small the amount may be. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what it means to stretch every dollar and why it's a crucial skill in managing your finances. Remember, being mindful of how you spend and save can lead to a more secure and stress-free financial future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.